Hey guys, here's Louie. I'm over here at a buddy of mine's. I met this gentleman a little over a year ago. I first bought some parts from him and a buddy of mine went to pick it up. Then the second time I went to buy parts, I was able to meet him in person. He had a charging issue with the car. That's the first job I did to this car. It's a 1968 Firebird that he did beautiful restorations to. And I'm gonna let you know what did he do to the car, as much as I know that he did to the car, but he did a lot of work to this car. It's beautiful green with gold, two gold stripes. I'll show you guys. So this is what I'm explaining to you guys that I do on my spare time. Okay, I work on other people's cars that are having issues. And this gentleman has been doing body work professionally for 42 years. So he's a veteran. And it shows. Okay, it shows. And believe it or not, he is teaching me a lot of new tricks. And he has a lot of knowledge. Okay. So, I'm picking his brain out. So he had a charging issue. I fixed that about a year ago. Okay. This is a almost 8-year project. And the reason it's taking him so long is for parts that are backed up. Okay, things that are backed up, or things come and they don't happen to work and he had to send it back. You guys know the story that I've been doing this kind of stuff, all right? It's a back and forward thing. But he's done an awesome job. As for the wiring, he had a charging issue. I fixed that a year ago. Then I came here about 2 weeks ago. And he was having problems with the courtesy lights and under dash lights, and his car was turning on every gear, which that's not good. And I said, well, you need a neutral safety switch. He had the neutral safety switch, but the person that put it in did not install it the right way. And I came up with something that the car only turns on park. The way it's supposed to be is park and neutral, but this one is only going to turn on park because we had to do something to it to make it work that way, which is way more safe than having it turn on drive or reverse, which the way it was. What else? I'm here today to make his reverse lights work because he had to buy a switch. He has a 700 4R transmission, or R4. Sometimes I get those mixed, but that's his transmission he has here. And he also has a Chevy engine. I'm trying to convince him to change it to a Pontiac, and he told me, Louis, I will change it to a Pontiac if I could get a Pontiac. So maybe in the future I'm gonna have to give him a Pontiac engine to make it a full Pontiac bird. But the cool thing is he saved another bird and he's making it work. Okay, this car, totally functional car. He's trying to get the gremlins out of the wiring issues for he can enjoy this car this year. Okay, so here's the bird. Came out really nice. Great job on the car. All right, engine bay nice and clean, just like the way I like to see it. All right, so he explained to me one of these fenders are aftermarket and the other fender is original. Okay, he uses all different brands. He's a strong believer that is a hit or miss, I'll be honest with you, and he does this professionally, so he will know. Okay, and I totally agree because it's a hit or miss with these aftermarket panels. I believe the door skins are brand new. Okay, full quarters. I mean, he did the full quarters from the sail panel all the way to the back. He also did a brand new roof skin on the car. Okay, inner wheelhouse, deck filler panel, all this is brand new. I mean, the car came out really nice. Check that out. So I don't know if you guys could see it on camera, but there's a lot of flakes on those gold colors. Okay, and the green also, is a little dusty, but the green also has like these flakes, kind of like metal flakes effect to it. Looks really cool, really nice. Yeah, the body work is awesome. The paint is awesome. I believe it's House of Colors he used. Check that out. Really nice. I love it. It looks awesome. Inside, he just told me he did the whole dash. So the original dash was cut out and he burned in a new one. Okay. And that's a Luker, I believe is the name, if I'm pronouncing it right. Shifter. He also has a tilt steering column. It's aftermarket, it's not an original, but it looks awesome. I fell in love with it, and I'm thinking I'm gonna get one from my '67 Firebird. Really nice. He's going through the whole interior now. His seats are getting done as we speak. He's just laying down the carpet now, getting his seat belts all figured out. But really nice, clean job. I absolutely love it. And I love the tires he has. I believe they are 15 by 8 in the back. And 15 by 7 in the front. Yep. I'm gonna write down these numbers because I plan to put this kind of setup on one of my cars, which Pontiac did do rally wheels that size. They are very hard to come by, but they out there. Okay. Nice and clean. Let me see if I could get a photo over here, a shot with the hood. Check that out. Really nice and clean job. And I mean, he has patience of a saint, because 8 years to keep going on the car, God bless him. Well, guys, like I always say, if you keep your hands dirty, your project will move forward. There's proof right here. I'm gonna do the last job today, and then we're gonna go to a body shop store and check some things out. Hope you enjoyed this video of another bird being saved. Take care now. Bye-bye.